Welcome to this guided evening meditation designed to help you release the stresses of the day and find a deep sense of relaxation and peace. As you settle in for the night, this practice will allow you to unwind, clear your mind, and prepare for restful, rejuvenating sleep. Find a quiet and comfortable space, whether that's sitting or lying down. Take a moment to settle into a position that feels good for your body. Close your eyes gently and allow your body to relax into the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, calming air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension that you've carried throughout the day. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply, feeling the air rejuvenate your body, and exhale, letting go of any lingering stress or worry. Now, return to your natural breathing rhythm. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the cool air on your inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Let each breath be a reminder that you are safe, that in this moment, everything is okay. As you continue to breathe gently, bring your awareness to the events of the day. Without judgment, simply observe. Acknowledge any challenges, any moments of stress, but know that they are behind you now. You are here in this present moment, and the day is complete. Whatever happened, it's now in the past. You've done your best, and that is enough. Let's take a moment to release the weight of any tension you might be holding in your body. Start with your head, noticing if there's any tightness in your forehead or jaw. With each exhale, imagine releasing that tension, allowing your face to soften. Move your awareness to your neck and shoulders, places where we often carry stress. As you exhale, feel the weight lift as your muscles begin to loosen and relax. Continue down your body, bringing your attention to your arms and hands. Are you holding on to anything? With each breath out, let your arms become heavy, your hands resting softly. Shift your focus to your back and chest, areas that often store physical and emotional tension. With each exhale, imagine any tightness melting away, your breath creating more space for ease and comfort. Now, turn your attention to your legs and feet. Feel the ground or surface beneath you, and as you exhale, let the weight of your legs sink into the support beneath you. Imagine the tension draining away from your toes, your feet, your calves, and your thighs, leaving you feeling completely at ease. As your body relaxes, allow your mind to follow. If any thoughts come up, that's okay. Acknowledge them and then gently let them go, as if they were clouds floating across a clear sky. You don't need to hold on to anything right now. This time is for you, to rest, to release, and to simply be. Bring your awareness back to your breath, noticing how it flows effortlessly in and out of your body. With each inhale, breathe in calm and peace. With each exhale, release any remaining stress or anxiety. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, except right here, right now. As you lie here in stillness, allow yourself to fully embrace this moment of peace. Know that you are safe, that you are enough, and that you deserve this time of rest. Let the events of the day drift further and further away, like waves receding into the ocean, until all that's left is the quiet calm of your own breath. Now, as you prepare to end this meditation, take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body grounded, your mind clear, and your heart at peace. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. If you wish, you can stay in this relaxed state, allowing yourself to drift off into a peaceful, restorative sleep. Remember, you can always return to this practice whenever you need to release stress and find calm. May your night be filled with deep, restful sleep, and may you wake up tomorrow refreshed, renewed, and ready to embrace a new day with clarity and peace.